Thinking about bangs but not sure which style is right for you? Imagine the perfect bangs making you look years younger and giving you a fresh, modern vibe. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips you need to find bangs that complement your features, fit your lifestyle, and make you feel amazing. Let's talk about bangs. They aren't just a simple hairstyle choice, they're like a built-in magic trick for your face. Bangs can instantly frame your features in the most flattering way, add softness where you need it, and even help hide fine lines on your forehead. I mean, who doesn't love a little built-in anti-aging effect? It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in how you feel about your overall look. The best part? Bangs aren't one size fits all. Whether your hair is poker straight, full of bouncy curls, or somewhere in between, there's a style of bangs that works perfectly for you. They're especially great if you're not quite ready for a dramatic haircut, but still want something fresh and updated. And here's the beauty of bangs. They can adapt to your personal style. You can go bold with a strong, structured fringe, or keep it subtle with a soft, wispy look. It's all about finding what makes you feel confident and comfortable. For a quick tip, don't be afraid to try something new. Bangs are incredibly versatile, and if you pick the right style, they will work for you, no matter your age or hair type. Now that we have talked about why bangs are such a game changer, let's dive into which specific styles work best to soften your features and give you that youthful, effortless vibe. Trust me, you are going to love these ideas. Let's talk about the kinds of bangs that can truly work magic on softening your features and refreshing your look. If you're over 50, choosing the right style is less about chasing fleeting trends and more about finding what truly resonates with your personality and lifestyle. At this stage in life, it's about embracing what makes you feel confident, radiant, and authentically you. The beauty of this approach is that it shifts the focus from following fashion rules to celebrating your individuality. The right bangs can complement your natural beauty, enhance your best features, and even make you feel a little lighter and more youthful. These classic, flattering options have stood the test of time for a reason. They work beautifully for women who want a look that's effortlessly stylish without feeling overdone or impractical. After all, the best styles are the ones that make you feel just as good on the inside as you look on the outside. The first style on the list is side-swept bangs. Side-swept bangs are like the little black dress of hairstyles. It is classic, versatile, and never out of style. They're a go-to for women over 50 because they're flattering on almost every face shape and hair type. The way they gently sweep across your forehead creates a soft diagonal line that can work wonders. If you have sharper angles, like a defined jawline or prominent cheekbones, side-swept bangs can soften those features beautifully. And if your face is rounder, this style can add a touch of balance and elongation, creating a more proportioned look. One of the things I love most about side-swept bangs is how easy they are to manage. They blend effortlessly into your hairstyle, whether you wear your hair down, in a ponytail, or styled up. On busy mornings, you don't have to worry too much about styling them. You can let them fall naturally, pin them back for a quick fix, or even tuck them behind your ear. And because they're not a full fringe commitment, they're perfect if you're new to bangs or just want a change without going all in. Now, if side-swept bangs feel a little too structured for your taste, we do have another option that's soft, airy, and oh so flattering: the wispy bangs. If you're after a look that feels light, easy, and completely natural, wispy bangs might just be your new go-to. Think of them as the barely there option that still makes a big impact. These bangs are soft, delicate, and airy, making them perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes into the world of bangs without committing to something too bold or dramatic. Dot wispy bangs work wonderfully for women with petite faces, as their lightness doesn't overwhelm your features. They're also great for adding a touch of softness and youthfulness to your overall look. Pair them with soft waves, layers, or even a sleek bob, and you'll have a style that feels modern and approachable without looking like you're trying too hard. What's even better is how versatile they are. Wispy bangs grow out beautifully, blending seamlessly into the rest of your hair, so you won't have to deal with that dreaded awkward phase as they get longer. They're also super easy to style. Just a quick sweep with a blow dryer or a touch of texture spray, and you're good to go. But if you're someone who likes a little more structure and definition, you might love the next style we're talking about. Curtain bangs. These bangs are designed to part slightly in the middle, gently framing your face like, you guessed it, curtains. They cascade softly on either side, creating a look that's equal parts chic and natural. For women over 50, curtain bangs are a fantastic way to refresh your style without making a drastic change. One of the things that makes curtain bangs so appealing is how they soften your facial features. If you have a square face, they can round out those sharper edges, creating a more balanced and harmonious look. For heart-shaped faces, curtain bangs draw attention away from a wider forehead and help frame the cheekbones beautifully. And even if your face shape isn't square or heart-shaped, these bangs add an effortless touch of glamour that works for almost everyone. Another big win for curtain bangs is how low maintenance they are. Unlike blunt bangs or heavy fringe, they grow out gracefully. As they get longer, they blend seamlessly into the rest of your hair, almost transforming into face-framing layers. This means you won't feel like you're rushing to the salon every few weeks for a trim. If you're feeling unsure about making the leap to bangs, curtain bangs are the perfect place to start. Ask your stylist to cut them a little longer at first. That way, you have room to experiment. You can always trim them shorter later if you want a more defined look, but starting longer gives you flexibility. If you're wondering how to choose the right bangs for your face shape and lifestyle, don't worry because we'll break it all down next so you can feel confident about your choice. When it comes to bangs, one size definitely doesn't fit all. The key to finding the most flattering style is considering your face shape. Your bangs should work with your features, not against them, and the right choice can bring balance, softness, or even a little extra drama to your overall look. Let's break it down for you. If you have a round face, your goal with bangs is to create balance and add a bit of length to your look. That's where longer, side-swept bangs come in. They're practically tailor-made for rounder face shapes. The magic of side-swept bangs lies in their diagonal lines. These lines draw the eye upward and outward, subtly elongating your face and giving it a more oval appearance. It's a simple yet highly effective trick to add dimension and break up the roundness. What's great about side-swept bangs is their incredible versatility. Whether you're heading to a casual brunch, running errands, or attending a more formal event, these bangs can adapt to any occasion. Wear them soft and tousled for an everyday relaxed vibe, or style them sleek and polished when you want a more put-together look. They're also great for blending seamlessly with the rest of your hair, making them easy to grow out or tuck away when you're in a rush. Another bonus: side-swept bangs are flattering for women with any hair texture. If your hair is fine, they can add the illusion of fullness. If your hair is thick, they soften the overall look without feeling too heavy. If you feel like side-swept bangs aren't quite what you're looking for, don't worry. It's all about softening those sharp angles while keeping your look sophisticated and feminine. If you have a square face, you're probably familiar with the strong angular jawline that gives your face structure and definition. While this can be a great feature, sometimes you may want to soften those sharp lines a bit. That's where soft, wispy bangs blend in. These bangs are perfect for square faces because they add just the right amount of softness without hiding your beautiful features. Wispy bangs are light and airy, and they work wonders in softening the edges of a square face. By gently framing your face and blending into your hair, they create a more delicate, rounded effect around the forehead and cheekbones. The beauty of this style is that it doesn't overwhelm your face. It just adds a bit of femininity and balance. What's also great about wispy bangs is how they make your overall look feel approachable and effortless. There's something very charming about this style that doesn't feel too dramatic or high maintenance. They're perfect for a laid-back yet polished vibe that's suitable for any age. Plus, as your bangs grow out, they continue to blend seamlessly with your hair, so there's no awkward growing phase. Now, if you have a heart-shaped face, you may notice that your forehead is wider than your chin, which can sometimes feel a bit unbalanced. But don't worry, because curtain bangs are here to save the day. This style is perfect for heart-shaped faces because they beautifully balance those proportions, creating a more harmonious and flattering look. Curtain bangs work by drawing attention to your cheekbones, which are often one of the most beautiful features of a heart-shaped face. The bangs fall softly on either side of your face, drawing the eye downward and away from the width of your forehead. This softens the overall look, giving your face a more balanced, elegant appearance. One of the best things about curtain bangs is how effortless they are to maintain. As they grow out, they naturally transform into face-framing layers, which blend seamlessly with the rest of your hair. This means you won't have to worry about frequent trips to the salon for trims to keep them looking sharp. Plus, they're super low maintenance. Just a quick brush or light styling and you're good to go. Now that we've talked about how to choose bangs for different face shapes, let's take a moment to chat about something just as important: your hair texture and lifestyle. Picking bangs that fit both will make a huge difference in how easy they are to manage. Bangs are a fun, stylish way to change up your look, but they do require a little extra attention to stay fresh and fabulous. With a few simple maintenance tips, you can keep your bangs looking their best and fit seamlessly into your everyday routine. Here's how to make bangs work for you without all the fuss. First, practice trimming it regularly. Bangs have a magical way of transforming your look, but they also grow faster than you might expect. And while that's great when you want long, luscious locks, it can make bangs feel a little high maintenance. To keep them looking sharp and styled, it's important to trim them every 4 to 6 weeks. Regular trims help maintain their shape and length, so you don't end up with bangs that are too long or unruly. Now, don't panic. You don't have to make a salon appointment every single time your bangs need a little love. If you're feeling up to it, you can easily do small touch-ups at home. Start by getting a good pair of sharp scissors, because dull scissors will only make the process harder. Take your time, cutting a little bit at a time. This will help avoid any mistakes, and if you're nervous about trimming too much, don't worry. You can always cut less and go back for a little more later. Another tip I would like to add is to always keep them clean. Bangs may look adorable, but let's be real. They sit right on your forehead, which means they can pick up oil, sweat, and dirt much faster than the rest of your hair. This can lead to bangs that look a little flat or greasy by the end of the day, but don't stress. There are some super simple tricks to keep your bangs looking fresh without needing to wash your whole head of hair every time. One of the best solutions is dry shampoo. It's honestly a game changer for keeping bangs looking fresh between washes. Just spray a little at the roots where your bangs tend to get oily, then give them a gentle massage to distribute the product. It absorbs the excess oil and adds a little volume, making your bangs look just as fab as they did this morning. If you are in a pinch and need an immediate fix, you can quickly rinse your bangs in the sink or take a damp washcloth and lightly wipe them down. It's a fast, no-fuss way to refresh your bangs before heading out the door. Now that your bangs are clean and fresh, let's talk about the tools you'll need to keep them styled perfectly. When it comes to bangs, the right styling tools can make all the difference in achieving that perfect polished look. Whether you're trying to tame cowlicks or create a little extra volume at the roots, a good styling tool will be your best friend. If you don't already have one, consider getting a small round brush. This tool is great for adding lift and shape to your bangs, especially if you want to give them a little volume at the roots. Simply roll the brush through your bangs while blow drying, and you'll see the difference in how much fuller and styled they look. A flat iron is another essential tool if you like your bangs sleek and smooth. It's perfect for taming any stubborn cowlicks or flyaways that might ruin your look. Just remember to use the flat iron with a light touch to avoid flattening your bangs too much. If you're going for a more textured, voluminous look, you can even use your flat iron to add some soft waves or flips at the ends. And let's not forget about hairspray. After styling, a lightweight hairspray can help keep everything in place throughout the day without that stiff, crunchy feeling. You want your bangs to move naturally, not feel like they're stuck in one position, so opt for a flexible, lightweight formula. Now let's talk about how to adjust your bangs for different seasons and conditions so they always look their best. The weather plays a big role in how your bangs behave, and being prepared can help keep them looking great no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. On those hot, humid days, you might notice your bangs starting to frizz or lose their shape. Humidity can be tough on bangs, but don't worry, anti-frizz products are a lifesaver. A good anti-frizz serum or cream can help keep your bangs smooth and manageable, even when the air is thick with moisture. Just a small amount applied to the tips can do wonders for preventing flyaways and frizz. If the heat gets unbearable and your bangs just won't cooperate, don't be afraid to pin them back for a while. It's a quick and easy way to keep your hair off your face and out of the way when you're out and about. You can even use a cute clip or headband to make it look intentional and stylish. On cooler days, you can take advantage of the crisp weather by adding a little volume to your bangs. A quick blow dry can help create smoothness and give your bangs more body. Whether you're working with side-swept bangs or curtain bangs, the cool air can actually help your bangs hold their shape better and last longer throughout the day. So which bang style do you think would work best for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Just leave a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, you will definitely love the next one.